RōBEX, customized robotic solutions, personalized customer care. The RōBEX team is fully committed to exceed customer expectations in every way. Our experienced team of automation solutions specialists provide innovative, value-added robotic technology to the manufacturing industry and beyond. RōBEX integrates the latest in robotics with your process and workforce to maximize production. As a certified systems integrator, we design custom robotic systems utilizing FANUC Industrial and collaborative robots together with MiR and AutoGuide autonomous mobile robots and the advanced robotic vision systems of +1 Robotics to improve safety, efficiency, and productivity. Concerned with capital investment? We've created a solution, RōBEX FLEXX. Technology can present capital investment challenges for even the most successful business. Through RōBEX FLEXX, customers from a variety of industries, including manufacturing, medical, e-commerce, and education, are provided a path towards automation. Our industry-unique program establishes a monthly technology licensing fee, allowing you access to the latest robotic technology has to offer via our proprietary solutions. All the benefits of automation without the upfront cost. Get to know our people and capabilities, and you'll make RōBEX your exclusive automation provider. Our passionate team of experts is ready to help you find the best solution to fit your process today. To discuss your needs, contact us at 419-270-0770 or email automation@robex.us. Growth, solutions, results. This is RōBEX.